Measures of central tendency. Our goal is at the end of the lesson, you want to represent a set of data with a single central number. We did the mean before, we did the median before, but now we will do the mode. Remember the word mode. One time, a shoemaker, Jamil, wants to decide on something, and he said, "What shoe size should we make more of?" And his friend, the other shoemaker, said, last week, these were the shoe sizes sold: 7.5, 7, 9, 8.5, 8.5, 8, 8.5, and 7. Let's help the shoemakers decide on which size should they make more of. So for these shoemakers, we will suggest that they use the mode. Remember the word mode, because the mode, whenever you see this, think of the MO, the most frequent. Frequent, meaning the number that appears most often. Okay, so first thing we have to do is to arrange the numbers. Some people will not do this anymore because they could easily see it. But if you have multiple numbers, this is very, very useful. So let's start with the 7 and the 7. They're the smallest. 7, another 7. And then there's a 7.5, 7.5. What else? The next higher one is 8. Let's put an 8. The next higher ones is 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. Write all of them. 8.5, 8.5, and another 8.5. Okay? And what else? The biggest one is a 9. See? Now everything in this is already in sequence from least to greatest. If you do the opposite, that's also okay. Next, pick the number that appears most often. Okay, let's evaluate these numbers. Okay, 7. Whoa, there's two number 7s. And then there's only one of you. 8, there's only one of you. Wow, look at this. There are three sizes of 8.5 shoes were bought, and there's only one of you. So which shoe was sold more? The 8.5. So you appeared most often, so the mode is the size 8.5. So the shoemakers would say, "Whoa, yeah, now let's do more of the 8.5 because next week they'll be buying this size." Okay, next, what is the mode of the following ages who attended a party? These are all the ages. They're scattered, okay, not in sequence. So first thing we have to do is to put them in sequence. Okay, let's start. There's a 1-year-old. Okay, I'm done with you. 13, you're young. Oh, there are, no, 12 first. 12. Then there's two 13s over there. 13, 13. What else? I see 6. Oh, the 15s. There you go. There are two 15s. Two 15s. What else? There's a 16, 16, 16. Wow. There are three 16s. Okay. And the oldest one is a 19-year-old. Okay. So again, how do I get the mode? You don't do median. Okay, we're not after the median. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get the number that appears most often. What number is that? Obviously you could see how many sixes do we have. There are three. Okay, 16s rather. How many 16s do we have? There are three. Therefore the mode, you're not gonna write 3, you're gonna write the what? The number 16. So the mode of the ages in the party is the 16-year-olds. Okay, one example here. 19 families were asked how many children they have. What is the mode of the number of children in each family? 19. I don't see a 19 here. No, that's not the 19. This is the number of children in a family. 0 children, 1 children, 2 children, 3 children, 4 children, 5 children, 6 children. I mean child here, okay? So anyway, and each dot represents a family. Okay, so count all of these dots. There are 19. So if this is your family, you're saying, yo, I answered 6 because There are 6 children in my family. This dot represents 3. There are 3 children in my family. Okay, mode is the most frequent. How would you know the most frequent here? Thanks to the organization. It's well organized. The tallest one means it just has more frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 families said they have how many children? We only have one child. So what is the mode? Will I write 6 or 1? The number that appears most often. That's the number 6. That's the mode. 12 students were asked what is their favorite number. Okay, the following table shows the results. What is the mode? Okay, now look at this. This is the frequency, meaning these are the 12 students. So this one student said, hey, my favorite is 15. Okay, now based on the given table, okay, which has the most number of students? 3 students said they want 5. 3 students also said 20. 3 students also said 25. Oh my goodness. There is no number here which is greater than 3. But the 3 is the greatest. So what would be the mode? Will I choose 25 only? Or 20 or 5? Guess what? There could be more than one mode. So you will write all of that. The 5 is a mode, the 20 is a mode, and the 25 is the mode because each of them got a frequency of 3. And they are the most frequent. Got it? Okay. To solve for the mode, the number that appears most often or most frequent, first thing you have to do is to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Okay. But sometimes you don't need to because you could easily see which number repeats most often. But I advise you to use it. It will help you organize. If there is a dot plot, if there's a table, it makes the arrangement easier for you. Okay. Then pick the number that appears most often because there's a lot of these numbers, therefore you're my mode. Okay, got it? Mode most often. Okay, good luck for your practice. Bye, Rampagers.